Hi guys! Okay, pag-usapan natin yung question document kung paano natin makuha ang tamang sagot. Okay, for example, it is stroke that goes back to repair a defective portions of writing. Okay, so defective portion of writing. Guhitan natin yan. Ito yung keyword. Defective portion. Okay. So, defective. Okay. A. Retracing. B. Patching. C. Pen stop. D. Pen lip. So, ano ang tamang sagot? Ang perfect answer is patching. Okay. Patching or retouching. Okay. Retouching. Retouch. Okay. Yan, no? Sabi niya, it is stroke that goes back to repair. Yan, repair. A defective portion of writing. Patching or retouching. Ang tamang sagot. Okay. So, ano naman ang hitsura ni patching or retouching? Ito ang sa pinaka yung hitsura niyan. For example, yung O. Yan. O. Now, aayusin ito. Bubuin niya. Yan. Ayan. Yan. So, example uli. O. Tapos, repair. Okay, yung defective portion. Yan. It is stroke that goes back to repair a defective portions of writing. Keyword, repair, defective portion. Ang perfect answer, patching B. Okay?